Hi, YouTube subbies. I know it's been a while since we saw each other or talked with each other, or me talk to you through the video. The reason why I'm here is I had uploaded a little snippet of a video of me having to get a port study because my port was not acting properly, was not returning blood. So they put some contrast dye through it, and we realized that there were two leaks in my port. My port has been in me since 2015. That's a long time because it's 2019. And I have been into active treatment, and that's the reason why my port has stayed in place. So I guess that like any appliance, eventually they break down. So what I want to tell you is I'm going to have my port replaced this morning. It is here currently. They're going to take this out, and you can probably see the little line that goes over my clavicle. They're going to pull all of that stuff out while I'm under with the Michael Jackson milk. Yay! Because that knocks you out. You don't have to feel anything. And then they're going to put another one in. But what I have to do before going is they'll send you home with special soap, Hyblicin. Hyblicin is an antibacterial soap that they want you to use after you use your regular soap in the shower. And they want you to wash yourself up so that it kind of cuts down on any any bacteria that may find a way into your wound and cause an infection. So I've done this, had to do this 3 days prior. This is the last day that I'll have to do it. And then I'm going in this morning for my procedure. They will give you a packet that will give you all instructions on what to do before the surgery, what not to eat, what medicines you can take, no lotions, no deodorants, that kind of thing. So I'm going in this morning. I hope that everything will go well so that I can continue with my chemo treatments, because with a busted port, you cannot have chemo. If they had went ahead and gave me chemo with a busted port, I would have had chemo all throughout my organs. It would cause scar tissues and lots of damage. So I'm glad that they erred on the side of caution. I look forward to talking with you guys after I get done with the procedure. Hope you all are well, taking care of yourself. Remember to be your own best advocate. If there's something that does not feel right, say something. Open your mouth and talk to someone, and keep talking until they listen and take you seriously. Signing off for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.